Hello everyone, welcome to Kankagou here in Loboc, Bohol, Philippines. Yes, hi Ate Jean. Welcome to my vlog. Hello Kuya Nick, welcome to my another episode of my vlog. These are the kiddos. Hi Gabriel. Hi Oliver, say hi. Hi to this cute puppy. Hello baby. Hi Sarah. Welcome back to Philippines. Patrick, Joshua, and my husband. Oh my God. Sulit ang among gibaklay. Sulit kaayo. Oh, nagumpaya sila at the top of the mountain, BBM.
Hard side mo gano ba? Kasi.
We're having a good time here in Kankagou. Very fresh air. Fresh na fresh ang air. Ang ganda ng tanawin. We'll be here.
Background. Hamas ba? Kanan wala sila background ba?
Dili na ni prenup, post-nap na ni. Post-wedding.
Heart ba, heart.
Oh, sige, heart. Hi. Hello, audience. Hello to all my viewers. They're just having their post-wedding pictorials here in Kankagou. Welcome to the Kankagou. Well, welcome to the top of the world. Hi guys, overlooking. Look at the view. I'll see you and I tour you around here. Slowly. Slowly. Wow, it's so nice in here. But I can't imagine. Di ko ma-imagine yung bagyong Odette. Di ko talaga. Makikita niyo yan. Parang may mini chocolate hills dito. Hi!
It's so cool in the brain niya, Kuya Lars.
Yeah. Wow, it's so nice, Oliver. Green na green. Go na go. Klaro kayo ang mga palibot. Like the river, rice field. Grabe ang papi atin. Mas nauna pa siya doong tour guide oh. Sarah, look at the puppy there. Hi. Yay! Oh, ang papi. Ho ho, this is the moment. You can see her formations of the beauty wonders here in Kankagou. Wala pong entrance dito. As in, yung lahat ng hingal mo, sulit naman sa tanawin at sa hangin. Free inhale, exhale. Woo! Guys, I just put some additional vlog when I reach on the top. Wala po tayo ditong drone. Sorry, walang drone. Pasensya na. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Gain lagi. That's all. God bless you. My dear subscribers, please don't forget to subscribe and add me. And hit the notification bell. That's all. Bye-bye.